So this is my escape room challenge that I didn't finish. I wanted to quit. So my goal was to have a game where you escape a garage, but I wanted to place a garage in the prison after realizing I spent too much time working on the world. I decided to quit the project and start something else. I wonder how black out there. My design was a garage, but I changed it into a prison. But I spent too much time on the world, so I got bored doing the project and decided to quit. My program consisted of a lot of different codes such as destroy game object, public, private, float, vector 3, void functions, if statements, null, return, transform, game object, rigid body, raycast hit, and cursor lock mode. If I could do this project over again, I would spend more time on the game and the code than the art in the world. Okay, so first you'd be in this thing, and these turrets are shooting at you because of the guard turrets, and then basically here you were supposed to find stuff to pick up, but I made this little desk here, another desk here, another cubicle, and then you got the police's little like couches and stuff, which was just for decoration. I spent too much time on all this decoration stuff. And then over here, these are broken prison bar cells. And I spent too much time on toilet, desk, toilet, desk, toilet, desk, toilet, desk. Just duplicated them. And then you got your couch, your shelf, and then your whole lot of boxes. And then your goal was to find a way out, but got bored on it. So. And then the only way to get out was there would be a gate right there, but I never wanted to finish the project, so no, and basically when you die, you die. Okay, any questions?
So in real escape room situation, aren't there clues that like riddles you have to solve to get out?
Yep, but I never finished it, so I don't need to do that.
Can you jump over the walls?
No, they're too high. Unless you do the rigid body jump method, which there's a ball flying right under you, then you jump on that ball and jump higher. But you have to do that like 5 times in a row.
Last question.
Why would there be like broken like cells?
Because people escaped earlier, and this is an abandoned prison.
Are any of them like locked?
Yeah, of course, they're still intact.
Okay.
I was gonna add some skeletons, but who wants to add those things? Okay, any other questions?
Okay, I think we're good. Let's give a round of applause.